In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blank diagram in Lucid and jumpstart it with Lucid AI. First, open Lucid in your web browser. Give the page a second to load so you land on the workspace where new documents are created. Think of Lucid as a digital whiteboard and diagramming studio. It lets you shape ideas visually, and with the built-in AI, you can go from a blank canvas to a structured diagram in moments. Make sure you're somewhere with a stable connection so your work syncs smoothly. Once you're in, create a new blank diagram. This gives you a clean canvas with the standard toolbars and the Shapes panel on the side. A blank start is perfect when you know the outcome you want but need flexibility. If you prefer, rename the file right away so it's easy to find later. You can also zoom to a comfortable level to see the whole canvas before you begin. Now tap into Lucid AI. Look for the Lucid AI option in the interface and select it. A prompt field will appear where you can type what you want to build. Be clear and specific. For example, instead of saying make a flow, describe the goal, the key steps, and any decision points like create a user onboarding flow with sign up, email verification, profile setup, and a decision for free trial versus paid. Lucid AI can generate diagrams, help you brainstorm, and suggest formats. So tell it whether you want a flowchart, mind map, org chart, or concept map. For early exploration, try asking it to brainstorm a concise list of themes or tasks. Then, in a follow-up prompt, have it organize those ideas into a flow or hierarchy that matches your goal. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your prompt by adding constraints such as the number of levels, the labels you prefer, or the sequence you need. You can accept the suggestions, then drag, resize, and relabel shapes, just like any manual diagram. As you review the output, check connectors for clarity, group related items, and use color to highlight paths or categories. Keep your layout tidy by aligning objects and spacing them evenly. This makes collaboration easier and improves readability. If your idea evolves, you can reopen Lucid AI to iterate on the structure without losing your edits. And that's it. You went to Lucid, created a blank diagram, and used Lucid AI to generate or brainstorm the structure you needed. Save your work and you're done.